my channel. My name is Bree. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, always thank you so much for clicking on my video today. So starting off the bat or getting straight into it, come on here and try out this half up, half down 90s swoop style. Since my hair is still straight, I wanted to try out a different hairstyle than just wearing it down basically. So yes, that's what this video is all about. If you're interested in seeing how everything turns out, just make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so I went ahead and parted my hair and make sure I got that out the way. So it is parted, the back, and then this part, and then where my swoop is going to be. I went ahead and did that off camera, so I can go ahead and get that out the way. So now we're moving on to my first part, or getting this done and taken care of. Okay, there's that. I don't want too much like product on my hair, so I'm gonna just use a little bit. So I'm going in my Silk Black Cream Styler by Afro Sheen. I'm gonna put a little bit on around the perimeter of my hair. I like this compared to, this is like an alternative. Instead of like using gel, you can use this for like any slick back that you do with your hair. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this. And then take my edge brush. And then swoop it a little bit to give it more of a style, just to swoop it a little bit like that. Okay, and to make sure that my hair stays in place, I'm gonna use a little bit of my Got To Be glue spray. Just to make sure it don't go anywhere. Okay, next portion or next part is the star of the show. You just section off little by little. Then you take some of your freeze spray or whatever holding spray that you prefer to use and do that to make sure it stays in place. My hair is kind of more long, so I'm gonna have to use bobby pins just to make sure that it stays in place. I see some people using their freeze spray to make sure you put it in place, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use bobby pins because my hair is going to be covered up anyway, so you won't necessarily see the bobby pins. So that's the alternative route that I'm going to use instead. And you want it to be flat as possible, so that's the reason why I am putting the spray on there, or the holding spray on there, so it can flatten it out a little bit. So yeah, I think because my hair is like super long, if my hair was a little bit more short, it would be easier just to mold it, but I don't want to put that much holding spray in my hair, so I'm not going to do that. So that's that. Okay, and this is where I'm gonna put my bobby pins. I'm gonna add them like right behind my ear, hopefully, so you won't be able to see them. I'm probably gonna add like 2 to 3. And then what I'm gonna do is, since my hair is more long, I'm going to add it towards this section right here. I'm just going to take another what do you call it, scrunchie, and then just add it right there. So the front part is okay. Well, let me try to fix this little section right here. Okay, so to cover up this little section right here, I'm going to take a piece from the back of my hair. Make sure it's enough hair that you take out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it around. Make sure you're combing and wrapping at the same time. Make sure it's all the way smooth, how you like it. And then we're going to comb out this section. And then just take a piece by piece. I don't have my curling iron. I don't know where it is. Okay. That. You don't have to hold the curls for too long. This, if you want to do curls, you don't have to necessarily do curls. You can do more of like a wave style. I think that's so cute. Or you can do straight, you know, just leave it straight or whatever. But I wanted to do curls since we are doing like a 90s swoop style. Okay, so I'm done with my curls. I know it looking kind of funny, but I'm done with my curls. I'm gonna wrap it up a little bit as much as I can until I get done with my back. Okay. My back is kind of all over the place. I don't know. I'm just gonna do like more loosely curls, if I can try. Okay, and we are done. So this is the completed look. Y'all, I am loving this style. This is giving more 90s vibes, especially with the hoops, with the gold hoops. Like, it's bringing me back to the 90s. Okay, so but the only thing is I use a flat iron instead of curling iron because my sister has my curling iron, so the curls are kind of off a little bit. But other than that, that's besides the point. This style came out so cute. It was easy. You don't have to do too much, especially if your hair is more straight. So I want my silk press to last, or my straight hair to last. So I thought this would be a very cute style to do. Yeah, so we are finished. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to make sure you subscribe down below to my channel if you are new. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video today, and until next time, bye.